Hi there, fellow design architects. Hope you've had a wonderful vacation festive season, or maybe you're still on holiday, or maybe you've returned back to the work environment and you're feeling refreshed. Just wanted to express how excited I am because this year is going to be a bumper year for technology with the new AI stuff that's being ushered in all the time and the compounding of the IQ behind the AI engines, either by Amazon or by OpenAI. It's mind-blowing what's happening in all industries. And I just want to speak about the architectural industry for now. I've been sharing what I know about AI with my students, and what I'm finding is absolutely astounding. In the beginning, I didn't want to embrace what I saw. I thought, how can the human being be left out of the process? But on the contrary, since I've been engaging with AI and visualization and seeing what it can accomplish, it's absolutely launched me into outer space with regards to the final results that I've been able to achieve. And I wanted to say that as human beings, we need to understand right now that the AI is out there to help us, and we can control it and use it as a tool instead of something that is counterproductive. It can really change the game. Doesn't matter who you are. The other thing that I believe is that if you are a designer and you are involved with your own visualization of your design work, or if you want to be involved in visualization, then the best thing in the world right now is AI. It's just mind-blowing what you can do with it. And I just wanted to suggest that in order to keep it evergreen for yourself, we're going to need three softwares. We're going to need the ability to model our design, which most designers already have, like ArchiCAD, Revit, SketchUp, Vectorworks, whatever you're modeling with, you're going to need that. And you're going to need a visualization platform. What I suggest is SketchUp, because it's just so easy to put views together. And then you're also going to need a post-production system like Photoshop to be able to tweak your designs. And those three softwares are going to give you the ability to ride the wave of AI and to keep it evergreen. And just really looking forward to sharing more exciting applications with you. So I do believe that AI is going to make our worlds more efficient, but I do believe there are going to be workflows associated with the AI, and the human being is still going to be needed to push the AI gently in the right direction. I look forward to sharing more with you.